What if you could earn daily without leaving your loved one's side? When I started caring for my mom full time, I had no choice but to find a way to work from home. But most online income options were either scams, too technical, or just plain exhausting. I needed something simple, stable, and flexible. And after months of testing and learning the hard way, I joined a wonderful blueprint which changed my life for the better. The Legacy Builder Blueprint is that shortcut I wish I had. It shows you how to set up simple income systems that pay you daily, where to find legit opportunities that don't require hours online, how to turn your caregiving story into a connection and income, and how to finally stop choosing between income and your family. This isn't just a program, it's a path to freedom on your terms. If you are ready to build your life around what matters instead of working against it, send me a DM, email, or leave a comment below this video, or visit my website for all the information you will need to start your legacy, because your legacy and peace can't wait.